If you are getting Roku error 4404, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Roku device. The error code 4404 on Roku devices is mostly caused by issues with the CBC GEM channel. The error 4404 occurs when trying to access the channel on Roku devices. It prevents the channel from loading properly. To fix the issue, you can restart the Roku device. Go to Settings, then select System, then Power, then System Restart. This can help clear the cache and resolve the issue. Method 2. Remove the ad blocker if applicable. Removing the ad blocker on the Roku device can resolve the 4404 error in some cases. However, this may not apply to all users, especially those with Roku TVs or Roku devices that don't have ad blockers. Method 3. Check your internet connection. The next thing you can do is ensure your Roku device has a stable internet connection. You should also check the internet speed on another device like your PC by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Method 4. Restart the router or modem. Try restarting your router or modem and make sure the Roku is close enough to the wireless router. To restart Roku, unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem. Method 5. Check the channel or app status. The Roku error code 4404 is typically caused by issues with a specific channel. You can contact the channel or app provider to see if they are aware of any outages or problems with their service. If it is CBC GEM channel, you can check their X handle, previously Twitter, to check for any outage. Method 6. Clean your cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times. Then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice and then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache, and by doing that, you can make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 7. Update the channel. The next thing you can do is update the channel. To do that, press the home button on your Roku remote. Then, press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel you want to update. Here, we are just showing this channel as an example. Then, press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then, wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 8. Reinstall the channel. Uninstalling and reinstalling the channel on which you are getting the error may fix the problem. Here is how you can reinstall the channel. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to uninstall. Like we have selected this channel for example. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation and click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings. Then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you should not get the error. It's recommended to restart the Roku before reinstalling the channel for best results. And there you have it, the methods to fix Roku error 4404. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.